Hello everyone. Today I'm going to demonstrate this email booking extracting data from the Node.js application. So this is the main point I need to cover. So this will securely access the Yahoo email using the IMAP. Then we use the extracting libraries to take out the data. Then we export everything in Excel, and we will use the UID markers to track all the emails which has been processed already. So first of all, let's see how it works. We're gonna use a Node.js Runtime and a IMAP flow library for the connection to IMAP to the Yahoo email server. And then we will use the mail parser module to extract data, and finally using XLSX we will export everything in the Excel sheet. This is some of the use case. If we start taking out all the data from the emails, it takes a lot of time, and it will be error prone. This application would be useful for the small business like hotels or anybody who's getting inquiry from the customers. And there's flexibility. We can adjust all the parameters according to our needs. So let's see what's the main problem, why we need this application. So this is my email account, and this is the one of kind of email. So here we got a name, email address, and a phone number who's booking our recommendation. So if we start taking out all the data manually and start typing in the Excel sheet, it will take a lot of time. So this application will help us to extract data from all the emails whichever in the inbox and save in the Excel sheet. So let's see how it works. So this is the main program. So by default we are using inquiry as the subject. So wherever our application see inquiry in the subject line, it will check that email and extract data from that email. So let's run it. So now it's asking for the our parameter. So I'm typing again inquiry. Even if I don't use it, it's gonna by default take the inquiry as a parameter for subject. Now it's checking all the emails. Let's see what it found. So finally it's gone through all the emails, and it found 7 records, and those are saved to Excel sheet, and UID set to 33. That's mean when next time it will start checking emails, it will start from 33. So whichever email has been already checked, it will not go through those again. And let's see what we got in our Excel file. So this is the Excel file that saved today, 5:36. Open it. So here is all the data. So you might be wondering why there's no phone number, because I didn't add those phone numbers in our testing testing emails. That's why they are blank. Otherwise, if it has a phone number, it must show here. So we got email name, email address, and these are dummy data, and this is the subject lines of that email. So this is an easy way to extract all the emails. So I will add this a GitHub link for this program, so you can download freely and use it and adjust it according to your needs. Thanks for watching. Bye bye for till the next time. Thank you.